God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back or to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you for those who are always returning. You guys are some real ones. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, as you guys already seen by the title. Kind of freestyling today. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what the name of this video is going to be. I don't know. I just know that I love the fall. This is my favorite season. With that being said, if you are interested in this video, make sure you give this a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, share, and also continue to watch. So I really don't know what look to do, and I feel like I don't know what it is. Like, I just find myself getting more stuck trying to figure out what look to do recently. Like, just in general, every time I do my makeup, I feel like I don't know what to do. I absolutely love the dark brows. Like, I would never be over the dark brows. I would never be over the 2016 brows, the 2016 makeup, because that was just an era. And I just feel like I'm like one of the very few that's still stuck in that era. Like, I would never get to the 2023 makeup. Like, it's cute, but 2016 is going to do it every time. So now for my primer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. One of the best primers to do it, okay? Because e.l.f. don't even play with us like that. So I like to prime before I do my eyeshadow, just because I find that, you know, like, I just like for it to sit longer and really just melt in my face rather than wait, you know, 30 seconds and stuff. So I'm just gonna sit, let this marinate in my skin as I do my eyeshadow, so I can be all plump. So today I'm gonna use my Morphe palette. I don't even know what palette this is. You guys already know. If you are OG and you always watch me, you know I am Morphe crazy. So I'm trying to stick to the fall colors, but like, I just love bright colors, so that's really hard for me, but we gonna make something shake, okay? I'm gonna start out with like this orangey brown shade here, and then I'm gonna go down into this green and get darker. We just gonna freestyle. We gonna see what we can bring together right now. So I'm using like this flat fluffy brush, and I'm actually just going to take the shade. I don't want to blend it out. I kind of want to create like a cut crease kind of look, because it's just something that I have in mind. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, y'all, but I just want to outline it. I don't want to like blend it out too much. I want it to be like a straight line, as if I'm cutting my crease all across. So, and I'm going to use the green shade, and I'm just going to go right under that and just do the same exact thing. I'm just going to like outline it and just see what we come up with here. I have a plan, but I don't know what exactly. As you guys can see, it is a little smudged right now, but I'm going to go back with the brown, the first shade I used, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges just to make sure that we didn't lose too much of that color, because the green can actually overshadow the brown. And I'm gonna go back with the green and blend it out. So this is what we're working with so far. I'm gonna take my flat round e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm gonna use some concealer and just clean this up. Like I said, y'all, I'm going for something, but I don't know what exactly yet, but I know it's gonna get fall. I know for sure. I'm gonna take my concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm just gonna clean this up. It is so important to literally draw over your line. I always talk about how important it is to draw over your line if you have hooded eyes. I know my eyes already, so if you guys need more information, make sure that you check out my eyeshadow for hooded eyes video. Definitely will be helpful. Now that this is cut and it's very clean, I'm gonna put some pressed powder on top just to conceal the concealer and make sure that it doesn't cake up and that it doesn't get patchy. So I had to test it out, but now I'm gonna go into my NK Spiced Up palette and I'm gonna use this yellowy shade. I feel like this color is really gonna bring the whole look out and just make it really pop. I'm gonna take my Lancôme waterproof liner, and this is a brown color, and I'm just gonna draw my cat eye. Okay, so I think the look is cute. I mean, it's not exactly what I expected it to be because I still feel like I'm missing something, but I don't know what it is. But maybe I just need to do the other eye. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Okay, so it actually looks really cute. I'm actually really feeling this, and I'm actually feeling the no lashes. Like, my lashes has came such a long way. But we gonna get into the whole face, okay? So I'm going for a more matte look today. So I'm gonna be using my Lancome, and this is the Ultra Idol Wear, and this is the shade 455 Warm. Let me tell you something. This and the hydrating one, they're both super bomb, both top tier. Been loving this, okay? Now I'm going to take my Too Faced Ethereal Light Concealer, and this is in the shade Ginger Snap, and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes. So I like to actually let my concealer sit and absorb, and while it's doing that, I like to use my Morphe setting mist. Just spray that up and let it just sit and melt in my skin. Then before blending, I use my Juvias Place. This is the Coral Rose Liquid Blush. Literally, I'm telling you, I've been loving liquid blush. I have not used powder blush, or I have not used eyeshadow like I used to in a while, ever since I got the Juvias Place liquid blush. And I need to try different brands, but honey, like, when you find something, why not stick to it? I like to pat mine instead of like brushing it back and forth because it is liquid. So I just pat it up and down until it blends into my skin. And usually people set their powders, well, usually people set their liquid blush with the powder blush. Me personally, I don't do that. I never had an issue with it moving. It could be because Juvias Place powder is just so good. I mean, Juvias Place blush is just so good. But I never had to set it. I never dealt with it moving throughout the day. So yeah. So now I'm just taking my beauty blender and my Sephora pressed powder, and I'm just gonna press it under my eyes. When I tell you, pressed powder has literally changed the game for my entire makeup routine. I only used to use loose setting powder, but pressed powder has really brought my makeup to a whole nother level. I actually use both, so I'll use a setting powder and then I'll use the Sephora pressed powder on top. And when I tell you the crease is creaseless, especially around my mouth for my frown lines, I'm telling y'all need to try it. So for my lips, I'm just gonna use my brown eyeshadow from this palette.
grown inwardly as eagerly we await to be.
And today I'm actually gonna put some lipstick on. So I'm gonna be using the Sephora matte lipstick, and this is in the shade crepe or crepe. I don't know. I don't think it's crepe, but it will be down below in the description. Alright you guys, so that is all for this look. Let me know what you guys think down below of this look. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Like, let me know. It's okay, you can be honest. I feel like I need to work on being more creative, but I just feel so stuck with makeup. I don't know if I'm the only one. If you're a beauty creator, if you're a makeup creator, like, comment that down below. Like, do you feel like sometimes you're just doing the same looks over and over, or sometimes you just basically just feel stuck, like you don't know what to do next when it comes to makeup and you're struggling with your creativity? Comment that down below as well. But yeah, you guys, that is all for this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. All the products will be down below in the description box, so make sure you guys go and check that out. Follow me on all my socials. I'm not Hollywood, okay? And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win it. Got a question, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. She really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning.